Hey guys, what's going on? I'm out here working on my Hyundai Tiburon 2007. I have everything taken off, front bumper, headlights. I took off all the intake boxes, everything that goes here. I'm gonna go ahead and fit an aftermarket intake that I already went ahead and fitted in the oxygen sensor that takes right here. So yeah, so I'm gonna try to cut the pipe down shorter, and we're gonna see how it looks. Sand it down the edge a little bit with the Dremel. So looking good. Gonna keep this other piece. I also sanded it down just in case I need it for anything. Just wanted to show you guys how it's gonna look. It's gonna go down a little bit further than that, and I'm gonna connect. I have a blue filter. I had the battery here in the battery box, so I'm gonna go ahead and rerun the battery to the back through the firewall underneath, all the way through my car, so it can sit in the trunk. So I already have the seat out and everything. Gonna be running the battery cable through the bottom, maybe through this panel, if not through over here. I'm gonna see what's easier. I know it's dirty. I've been working on this car for a while. Sorry about all the background noise. It's a crazy day today, I guess. But I've been working on this car for a little while. It hasn't been running in about 4 or 5 months. I got some hail damage and stuff like that on it. Man, it's a work in progress, but I'm gonna go ahead and make it a beast for me to play with. It's a SE V6, so got some power, 6-speed standard. So yeah, after I do all this and we go ahead and tune it, I have an exhaust kit that I'm gonna go ahead and install in here, and I'm looking to get a turbo, so we'll see how that all goes. I swear, like, every noise that could happen right now happened, and it was pretty quiet earlier. But yeah, so right now I'm just going ahead and I'm cleaning up the engine, maintaining it. You know, it's pretty dusty. I have a couple of videos of me getting it started with a battery that I got. Dang. All right, cool. But yeah, guys, so I just wanted to show you all everything that I was doing. Can't wait to show you the rest of the exhaust kit and everything else that I'm gonna be putting in this car. I'm gonna be doing some body work and paint and everything like that on this car myself. That way I can get my car going perfect all on my own. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys like these videos. I'm gonna start working on my car and record everything. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the videos of me taking off the bumper, me taking off the headlights, and everything like that. And I'm gonna be sure to show you guys the rest of the progress of the battery cable reroute. Modified this clamp right here so it can fit snugly in there. Now I just need to find a way to secure this so at least it's bolted down. All I did was bend this and then cut it down a little bit so it's just right there, perfect. Everything else is already snugly fit for now, just to make sure I got all the spacings correct. Everything's fitting really nice. That's the end of this video, and I hope you guys stay tuned for more car videos. Till next time, peace out.